Hello. This video will show you how to install SmartICS. Before getting started, make sure that the SmartICS installer and a database application such as PostgreSQL are available on your laptop or PC. The first step is to install PostgreSQL by double-clicking the PostgreSQL installer. When the setup window appears, click Next to continue the installation. Next, the installation directory settings will appear. Leave it as default, then click Next. At the component selection stage, leave the settings as default and click Next. In the data directory settings, leave it as default and click Next. At the password setup stage, enter a password of your choice, and make sure to remember it, as it will be used later to connect SmartICS. For the port configuration, leave it as the default value 5432, then click Next. Leave the settings as default and click Next. Then click Next again when you reach the Ready to Install screen. Wait until the installation process is fully completed. After the installation is complete, uncheck Stack Builder, then click Finish. The database has been successfully installed for storing SmartICS historical data. Next, proceed with the SmartICS installation. Run the SmartICS installer by double-clicking it, then wait until the setup window appears. When the welcome window appears, click Next. In the license agreement window, check I accept the terms, then click Next. In the custom setup window, leave the settings as default and click Next. The HTTP port 5000 and HTTPS port 5001 are used to access SmartICS. Leave them as default, then click Next. At the Ready to Install screen, click Next to begin the installation process and wait until the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. The SmartICS icons will appear on the desktop, SmartICS and SmartICS Control Center. Click SmartICS to launch the application. The browser will automatically open and display the SmartICS welcome page. On this page, you can set the language and time zone according to your preferences. After finishing the setup, click Next. At this stage, create a username and password as needed. For example, you can use username, admin and password, 1. Monopoly access allows only one user to log in from a single device at a time. If you want the user to be accessible from multiple devices at the same time, leave it unchecked. Click the Create button to continue. After that, you'll proceed to the database server stage. This is where you configure the connection to the previously installed database, PostgreSQL. The first step is to click the plus icon to add a new database. The Add Database Connection window will appear. Give the database a name of your choice. Select the database type. Choose PostgreSQL. In the server field, leave the default value localhost. In the port field, use 5432. According to the PostgreSQL installation settings, enter Postgres in the username field. Enter the password you created during the PostgreSQL installation. Click the Check Connection icon to test the connection. Make sure a green notification or the message Connection established appears, indicating that the connection was successful. Next, expand the database, then create a new table with the name of your choice. Click Add. Select the table you just created, then press Check Connection to make sure the connection is successful. The next step is to click Apply. Then click Check Database Connection and make sure the status shows success. After that, click Done. SmartICS is now ready to use. You can proceed to SmartICS Training Level 1 to learn the basic features and earn a certificate.